Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I am Desarae. Today we're going to be reviewing a wig from Etsy. This is my second wig purchase from Etsy. It was so if you want to see how this video is going to turn out, keep on watching. If you are new to my channel, check me out and subscribe. Also, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. This is the wig that I had bought from Etsy. This is supposedly a 22-inch. This is how it's looking. I did wash her. As you can see, you do see strands of frizziness. I just put water in it because it looked way worse than this. It is a 4x4 parting. I did cut off the lace. That's the only thing I did was wash it, cut off the lace, and add a little bit of water. And I also added some curling cream. So after I washed it, it was very frizzy at the ends. So it looked way worse than this. And man, for this wig to be kind of $300, it's highly disappointing. Because of the quality of it. Like initially when I put it on straight out the pack, it does not look good on me because the frizziness. Basically, I think that this is a deep wave 613, and I think they probably bleached it themselves and over bleached it because of the ends. It's very fried. So to me, for $300, me personally, I would not have sold this to anyone. I had to contact the seller like just to see what was going on, because I contacted them. They told me 2 weeks would be the time I would get the wig. It was 2 weeks, still no wig. So I contacted them. They said, oh, the pattern didn't turn out to their liking. They're gonna work on reconstructing it. There was no time frame. So I asked them, and I asked the seller, I said, do you know the time frame? It'll be a week. Week came, still no tracking. So I asked the seller, I said, you know, what's going on? They said, oh, it'll be shipped this day. That day came, still didn't ship. So I did have to open up a case, and that's how I got the wig to come. That still took some time. So as you can see, whatever they was talking about, I don't think they even did any difference because it still looks over processed. So I kind of waited all this time just to get the same damaged wig that they were talking about they was trying to repair. So I'm gonna go ahead and try her on. So this is how she looks. I will go ahead and style her and do the baby hairs and all that. So as you can see, I don't know, does this scream $300? I don't know, but I do understand I'm gonna have to put in work to make it look good. But the only disappointing thing that I do not like is that the pattern, the curl pattern on this is over processed. Now when I took it out, I did notice that it was shedding quite a bit. So the frontal of the 4x4 is over processed, which that could have been an easy quick fix. Just order a new 4x4 and color it to match the rest of the hair. So I don't understand why it took almost a month just to get it, and it still looked like this, and I paid $300 for it. That's kind of... So overall, I don't know. I really don't think I should continue to order wigs off Etsy. At least with Amazon, if I don't like the wig, I can return it. I don't feel like going through the process of trying to return this wig because I already took the lace off, and I don't feel like being bothered. I'm just gonna take the L and try to make it work as much as possible. So I'm gonna style her, and I'll be right back.
I shouldn't be standing with a heart that's so heavy. I shouldn't be up with all the weight that I carry. Don't know if it's right, but I'm sticking with you. You're my only vice, I'm dependent on you. Love's for the wicked, I know this shit too well. I talk, you don't listen, still I'm under your spell.
Alright, so I am finished with styling her. It does look pretty good far as me having to, you know, I probably still got to do work with the ends. Before I got into my rant, I forgot to mention the details, so let me go ahead and mention it. So this is a 20-inch deep wave. The color is spice brown, but on the tag it says a 27, but the color is a spice brown. As far as this wig, it did come frizzy in the 4x4, but the rest of the hair is curly. It is gorgeous, but it's just that top piece, as you can see, that I keep scooting away, but the rest of the hair is gorgeous. I will have a link if you guys are interested in purchasing this wig. This video is not to bash the seller or anything. I bought this wig, and whenever I buy wigs, I like to review them because I review wigs. So yeah, this is not to bash anybody. I'm just giving my honest opinion, as I always do. So overall, I feel so when it comes to the wig. I love the color. I just don't like that frizziness that I have in the front part, which is the majority of what people are going to see when, you know, when they see this wig. So do keep that in mind. If you are interested in getting this wig, I will have the link in the description box. So thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.